Eucerin Eczema Relief Body Cream is a clinically proven moisturizing formula that relieves and fortifies dry, itchy eczema-prone skin. This fast-absorbing eczema cream is enriched with colloidal oatmeal, a skin protectant, ceramide-free and like a chalcone, a licorice root extract. This soothing moisturizing cream is gentle enough for everyday use and helps strengthen the skin's protective barrier. Indications. This medication is used as a moisturizer to treat or prevent dry, rough, scaly, itchy skin and minor skin irritations, such as diaper rash, skin burns from radiation therapy. Emollients are substances that soften and moisturize the skin and decrease itching and flaking. Some products such as zinc oxide, white petrolatum are used mostly to protect the skin against irritation, such as from wetness. How to use. Apply as needed to affected areas. For children under 3 months of age, ask a doctor. Avoid contact with eyes. Consult a healthcare practitioner if symptoms worsen or last for more than 7 days. Contraindications. If you are allergic to any of the ingredients of Eucerin, on broken inflamed skin, on large areas of skin if you have kidney trouble. Warnings. For external use only. When using this product, do not get into eyes. Stop use and ask a doctor if condition worsens or symptoms last for more than 7 days or clear up or occur again within a few days. Keep out of reach of children. If swallowed, get medical help or contact a pollution control center right away. Side effects. Most emollients can be used safely and effectively with no side effects. However, burning, stinging, redness, or irritation may occur. If any of these effects last or get worse, tell a doctor or pharmacist promptly. Tell a doctor right away if any of these unlikely but serious side effects occur. Unusual changes in the skin, such as turning white, soft, soggy from too much wetness, signs of skin infection.